Shalom, shalom, perfect peace. No additional Bible verse today. I'm doing my 208 Bible study. We're still reading the book of Genesis, chapter 46, verses 8 to 27. So this is going to be a long one. Reading 5 different versions. ESV first, followed by NIV, and then NLT. And after that, ASD, ang salita ng Diyos. Then KJV at the last part. Theme, summary, 2 questions, and then takeaways. And let me just jump right into it because this is going to be a long one. But definitely, we'll be learning something here. Just wait for the key points. All right. Genesis chapter 46, verse 8 ESV. Now, these are the names of the descendants of Israel. So hold on. Don't run away. Just listen. Just try to listen. Just try to pay close attention. All right, enough of me talking. Let me read. Now, these are the names of the descendants of Israel who came into Egypt: Jacob and his sons, Reuben, Jacob's firstborn, and the sons of Reuben, Hanok, Palu, Hezron, and Carmi. Verse 10, the sons of Simeon, Jemuel, Jamin, Ohad, Jachin, Zohar, and Shau, the sons of a Canaanite woman. 11, the sons of Levi, Gershon, Kohath, and Merari. 12, the sons of Judah, Onan, Shelah, Perez, and Zerah. But and Onan died in the land of Canaan, if you can remember. And the sons of Perez were Hezron and Hamo. 13, the sons of Issachar, Tola, Puva, Yob, and Shimron. 14, the sons of Zebulun, Zered, Elon, and Jalil. 15, these are the sons of Leah, whom she bore to Jacob in Padan Aram, together with his daughter Dinah. Altogether, his sons and his daughters numbered 33. 16, the sons of Gad, Ziphion, Haggai or Hagi, Shuni or Shunai, Esbon, Eri or Iri, Arodi, and Areli. 17, the sons of Asher, Imnah, Ishva, Ishvi, Beriah, with Sarah, their sister, and the sons of Beriah, Heber, and Malkiel. 18, these are the sons of Zilpah, whom Laban gave to Leah, his daughter, and these she bore to Jacob 16 persons. 19, the sons of Rachel, Jacob's wife, Joseph and Benjamin, just 2. And to Joseph in the land of Egypt were born Manasseh and Ephraim, whom Asenath, the daughter of Potiphar, the priest of On, bore to him. 21. And the sons of Benjamin, Bela, Becher, Ashbel, Gera, Naaman, Ehi or Ehi, Rosh, Mupim, Hapim or Hupim, and Ard. 22. These are the sons of Rachel who were born to Jacob, 14 persons in all. 23. The sons of Dan, Hashim, the sons of Naphtali, Jazil, Gunai, Jezer, and Shilem. 25. These are the sons of Bilhah, whom Laban gave to Rachel his daughter, and these she bore to Jacob, 7 persons in all. 26. All the persons belonging to Jacob who came into Egypt, who were his own descendants, not including Jacob's sons' wives, were 66 persons in all. Last verse. And the sons of Joseph, who were born to him in Egypt, were 2. All the persons of the house of Jacob who came into Egypt were 70. Please remember that word, that number, 70. All the sons of kinsmen of Jacob. Now, Let me just read faster. NIV. All right, verse 8, verse 8. One moment, guys. Let me just look for it. These are the names of the sons of Israel, Jacob and his descendants, who went to Egypt. Reuben, the firstborn of Jacob. Verse 9, the sons of Reuben, Hanok, Palu, Hezron, and Carmi. 10. The sons of Simeon, Jemuel, Jamin, Ohad, Jachin, Zohar, and Shaul, the sons of a Canaanite woman. 11. The sons of Levi, Gershon, Kohath, and Merari, or Merari. 12. The sons of Judah, Onan, Shelah, Perez, and Zerah. But and Onan had died in the land of Canaan. The sons of Perez, Hezron, and Hamul. 13. The sons of Issachar, Tola, Pua, Jashub, and Shimron. 14. The sons of Zebulun, Zered, Elon, and Jalil. 15. These were the sons of Leah born to Jacob in Padan Aram, besides his daughter Dinah. These sons and daughters of his were 33 in all. 16. The sons of Gad, Zephon, Haggai, Shuni, Esbon, Eri or Eri, Arodi or Arodai, and Areli or Areli. Probably Areli and Arodi. 17. The sons of Asher, Imnah, Ishva, Ishvi, and Beriah. Their sister was Sarah. And the sons of Beriah, Heber, and Malkiel. 18. These were the children born to Jacob by Zilpah, whom Laban had given to his daughter Leah. 16 in all. 19. The sons of Jacob with the sons of Jacob's wife Rachel, Joseph and Benjamin. Verse 20. In Egypt, Manasseh and Ephraim were born to Joseph by Asenath, daughter of Potiphera, priest of On. 21. The sons of Benjamin, Bela, Becher, Ashbel, Gera, Naaman, Ehi, or Ehi. In ESV, it's Eli or Eli, if I'm not mistaken. Rosh, Mupim, or Mupim, and Hupim, and Ard. 22. These were the sons of Rachel who were born to Jacob, 14 in all. 23. The sons of Dan, Hashim. 24. The sons of Naphtali, Jaziel, Guni, Jezer, and Shillem. 25. These were the sons born to Jacob by Bilhah, whom Laban had given to his daughter Rachel. 7 in all. 26. All those who went to Egypt with Jacob, those who were with his direct descendants, not counting his sons' wives, numbered 66 persons. 27, last verse. With the two sons who had been born to Joseph in Egypt, the numbers of Jacob's family which went to Egypt were 70 in all. Just remember that number, 70. It has a higher significance in our key points. So, NLT, Genesis chapter 46, verse 8. These are the names of the descendants of Israel, the sons of Jacob, who went to Egypt. Reuben was Jacob's oldest son. Verse 9. The sons of Reuben were Hanok, Palu, Hezron, and Carmi. 10. The sons of Simeon were Jemuel, Jamin, Ohad, Jachin, Zohar, and Shaul. Shaul's mother was a Canaanite woman. 11. The sons of Levi were Gershon, Kohath, and Merari or Merari. 12. The sons of Judah were Onan, Shelah, Perez, and Zerah, though and Onan had died in the land of Canaan. The sons of Perez were Hezron and Hamul. 13. The sons of Issachar were Tola, Pua, Jashub, and Shimron. 14. The sons of Zebulun were Sered, Elon, and Jalil. 15. These were the sons of Leah and Jacob who were born in Padan Aram, in addition to their daughter Dinah. The number of Jacob's descendants, male and female, through Leah was 33. 16. The sons of Gad were Zephon, Haggai, Shuni, Esbon, Eri, Arodi, and Areli or Arelite. 17. The sons of Asher were Imnah, Ishva, Ishvi, and Beriah. Their sister was Sarah. Beriah's sons were Heber and Malkiel. 18. These were the sons of Zilpah, the servant given to Leah by her father Laban. The number of Jacob's descendants through Zilpah was 16. 19. The sons of Jacob's wife Rachel were Joseph and Benjamin. 20. Joseph's sons born in the land of Egypt were Manasseh and Ephraim. Their mother was Asenath, daughter of Potipharah, the priest of On. 21. Benjamin's sons were Bela, Becher, Ashbel, Gera, Naaman, Ehi or Ehi, Rosh, Mupim or Mapim, Hopim or Hupim, and Ard. 22. These were the sons of Rachel and Jacob. The number of Jacob's descendants through Rachel was 14. 23. The sons of Dan was Hushim. 24. The sons of Naphtali were Jazil, Guni, Jezer, and Shillem. 25. These were the sons of Bilhah, the servant given to Rachel by her father Laban. The number of Jacob's descendants through Bilhah was 7. 26. The total number of Jacob's direct descendants who went with him to Egypt, not counting his sons' wives, was 66. In addition, Joseph had 2 sons who were born in Egypt, so altogether there were 70. There were 70 members of Jacob's family in the land of Egypt. All right, let me just read ASD. I want to make it, oh my, 12 minutes. But yeah, just bear with me, please. You'll like what we prepared later on. Verse 8, Genesis chapter 46, ang salita ng Diyos. Ito ang mga pangalan ng mga lahi ni Jacob/Israel na pumunta sa Ehipto. Si Ruben ang panganay niyang anak. Verse 9, ang mga anak na lalaki ni Ruben ay sina Enoch, Phalu, Hezron, at Carmi. 10. Ang mga anak na lalaki ni Simeon ay sina Jemuel, Jamin, Ohad, Jakin, Zoar, at si Saul, na anak ng isang babaeng taga-Canaan. Ang mga lalaking anak ni Levi, verse 11, ay sina Gerson, Kohath, and Merari. 12. Ang mga anak na lalaki ni Judah ay sina Onan, Shelah, Perez, at Zerah. Ngunit si at Onan ay namatay sa Canaan. Ang mga anak na lalaki ni Perez ay sina Hezron at Hamul. 13. Ang mga anak na lalaki ni Issachar ay sina Tola, Pua, Iob at Simron. 14. Ang mga anak na lalaki ni Zebulun ay sina Zered, Elon, at Jalil. 15. Sila ang 33 anak at apo ni Jacob kay Leah na ipinanganak sa Padanaram at kabilang ang anak niyang babae na si Dina. 16. Ang mga anak na lalaki ni Gad ay sina Ziphion, Hagui, Suni, Ezbon, Eri, Arodi, at Areli. 17. Ang mga anak na lalaki ni Asher ay sina Imna, Izva, Izvi, at Berias, at mga kapatid nilang babae na si Serah. Ang mga anak ni Beriah ay sina Heber at Malkiel. 18. Sila ang 16 na anak at apo ni Jacob kay Zilpah na aliping tagasunod, aliping ibinigay ni Laban kay Leah. 19. Ang mga anak na lalaki ni Jacob kay Raquel o Rachel ay sina Jose at Benjamin. 20. Ang mga anak na lalaki ni Jose/Joseph kay Asenath na ipinanganak sa Ehipto ay sina Manasseh at Ephraim. Si Asenath ay anak na babae ni Potipharah na pari ng On. 21. Ang mga anak na lalaki ni Benjamin ay sina Bela, Becher, Asbel, Gera, Naaman, Ehi or Ehi, Ross, Mapim, Hapim, at Ard. Tagalog naman kasi. 22. Sila ang 14 na lalaking anak at apo ni Jacob kay Raquel o Rachel. 23. Ang anak na lalaki ni Dan ay si Husim. 24. Ang anak na lalaki ni Naphtali ay sina Jazil, Guni, Jezer, at Silem. 25. Sila ang 7 anak at apo ni Jacob kay Bilha, aliping / tagasunod ibinigay ni Laban kay Raquel o Rachel. 26. Ang bilang ng lahat ng anak at apo ni Jacob na pumunta sa Ehipto ay 66, hindi pa kabilang dito ang mga asawa ng kanyang mga anak. 27. Kasama ang 2 anak na lalaki ni Jose/Joseph na ipinanganak sa Ehipto, 70 ang kabuuan ng sambayanan ni Jacob/Israel na natipon sa Ehipto. Alright. Still reading. I'm gonna read fast. Alright. Genesis chapter 46 verse 8. And these are the names of the children of Israel/Jacob, which came to Egypt. Jacob and his sons, Reuben, Jacob's firstborn. Verse 9, the sons of Reuben, Hanak, Phalu, and Hezron, and Carmi. 10, and the sons of Simeon, Jemuel, and Jamin, and Ohad, and Jachin, and Zoar, and Shoal, the son of a Canaanitish woman. 11, and the sons of Levi, Gershon, Kohath, and Merari, probably. 12, and the sons of Judah, and Onan, and Jila, and Phares, and Zerah. But and Onan died in the land of Canaan. And the sons of Phares were Hezron and Hamul. 13, and the sons of Issachar, Tola, and Fuva. And Job and Shimron. 14, and the sons of Zebulun, Sered, and Elon, and Jalil. 15, these be the sons of Leah, which she bare unto Jacob in Padan Aram, with his daughter Dinah. All the souls of his sons and his daughters were 33. 16, and the sons of Gad, Zipion, and Haggai, Shuni, and Ebson, Eri, and Arodi, and Areli, probably. 17, and the sons of Asher, Jimna, and Ishua, and Isui, and Beriah, and Sarah, their sister. The sons of Beriah, Heber, and Malchiel. 18, these are the sons of Zilpah, whom Laban gave to Leah his daughter, and these she bare unto Jacob, even 16 souls. 19, the sons of Rachel, Jacob's wife, Joseph and Benjamin. 20, and unto Joseph in the land of Egypt were born Manasseh and Ephraim, which Asenath, the daughter of Potipharah, priest of On, bare unto him. 21, and the sons of Benjamin were Bela, and Becher, and Ashbel, Gera, and Naaman, Ehi probably, and Rosh, Muppim, and Huppim, and Ard. 22, these are the sons of Rachel, which were born to Jacob. All the souls were 14. 23, and the sons of Dan, Hashim. 24, and the sons of Naphtali, Jazil, and Guni, and Jezer, and Shillem. 25, these are the sons of Bilhah, which Laban gave unto Rachel his daughter, and she bare these unto Jacob. All the souls were 7. 26, all the souls that came with Jacob into Egypt, which came out of his loins, besides Jacob's sons' wives, all the souls were 60, meaning 20, 40, 60. So 20 per score. So 66. 27. And the sons of Joseph, which were born him in Egypt, were 2 souls. All the souls of the house of Jacob, which came into Egypt, were 10. 60 and 10 equals 70. So 70. Alright, that's it. 19 minutes. Alright. The named family of Israel. So that's the theme. Summary. This section lists the names of numbers of Jacob's descendants. Every one of them. Though it may seem repetitive, it emphasizes that every soul matters to God. Are you listening to that? God knows His people by name, not just as a group. The number 70 highlights completeness. This is the reason why I was trying to make you remember, or at least trying to ask you to remember 70. 7 is completion in Hebrew. Not completion in Hebrew, because God rested on the seventh day. He finished creation. He created man on the sixth day, and then on the seventh day he rested because everything was complete. All right. God is building his nation exactly as promised. All right. Question number 1. Why does God why does God record all these names? To show his promises are personal. To show his promises are personal, not abstract. Not just coming out from nowhere. No, it is personal and intentional. Now, question number 2. Is this about human lineage or divine promise? Divine promise. God is faithful to multiply Abraham's seed as he vowed by grace alone. Not by their efforts, but the divine providence of God. Now, takeaway. God's saving work is intentional and personal. Faith rests in God's promise, not in family legacy or numbers. We've reached 21 minutes. I don't want to share. I don't want to prolong this one. So, hoping and praying that this not make you bored, and at least you get something from these. Because a lot of people, most of the time, those who are new in the faith and is trying to read the book of Genesis, and they stumble on this chapter, they would be able to read this genealogy, and I can guarantee you that there's going to be a lot of genealogies, even numberings of people. But anyways, again, it's personal and intentional to God. God bless you guys. Keep safe. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Bye for now.